Next thing we're going to do is install wires and a hose into this drag chain. So this is the part I hate the most about building these things, because it can be difficult to do this part. Okay, so what we have to do is get this hose here and these 3 wires. Okay, the black, red, and blue. We got to get 4 of these through this chain, but it's going to want to come out, it's going to want to stick. So what I typically do here is I'll tape things individually, right? So here's a wire bundle. I'm going to tape this up here, okay? So get them about even, and then put a little piece of tape around it. Now the hose is just by itself, so I don't have to put a piece of tape on that, but I'll take this guy and then tape everything together once all the individual pieces are taped, okay? So that makes it easier, but it's still difficult, okay? So as we're pushing through, it goes through pretty well. Actually, really well here. Okay. So, oh, and now it's stuck. And then we twist it around, and now it's stuck again. Twist it a little. Okay, and it's going to keep sticking like this again and again. So what I like to do is I'll take a thicker wire here, and to get it through, you bend the tip. That way it's going to have a really hard time getting caught in here, right? So bend the tip, run it through, and it should go through pretty smooth here. Okay. Seems to be doing good. Cool. All right. So now that that's through, I'll take this bundle here, and if it were bigger, I'd probably put another bend in this, but since it's small and I think it'll come through nicely, I'm just gonna put a piece of tape, put it in line with everything, and I'm gonna run this tape at an angle, right? So tape's at an angle, coming around. Oh, I guess I need a bigger piece of tape. But basically I want it to go from that little wire and an angle to the big bundle, okay? That way it doesn't catch on the side here. So put this at an angle, right? There we go. Okay. That should go through pretty nice. So I take this here, right? And then I'm going to come to the other side and just pull. And I shouldn't have to pull hard. If I'm pulling hard, it might come loose. All right? Getting a little tangled here. There we go. And all right, we popped out. Cool. So usually I'll carefully pull this apart, but I'm just gonna rip that out. Cool. All right. So now I got my pieces out here that I need to connect to things. And in the next video, I'll show you how to install it. Thanks for watching.